Hello everyone. I'm your Life Bytes partner. Good to see you again. Today, we will show you how to add video and text in timeline and edit layout in preview window. Let's create our first video. To create a video, you can select from beginner-friendly templates made by designers and create professional-looking videos in minutes with clipchamp's templates. From YouTube gaming to sales, choose from thousands of video templates for any industry. Or you can choose to create your own video from scratch. Click the Video Library tab in the left sidebar. Search for a specific video or use keywords. There are ample of free stock videos to choose from. There are free videos and premium videos marked with diamonds for paid plans. Hover your cursor over the stock video to preview and play a video. To select a stock video, click on the plus button in the corner of the selected stock video. This button will automatically add the selected video in the timeline. Again, search for another video. Once selected, click and drag the next video into the timeline. Now, let's add a subscriber panel into our video. Search for subscriber panel stock video. Choose your preferred subscriber panel. Hover your cursor over the stock video to preview and play it. To select a stock video, click the selected stock video and drag and drop it in the timeline. Let's set the layout of the subscriber panel in the video screen. Drag the seeker, the white vertical line with a circle on top, onto the subscriber panel timeline. Select the subscriber panel at the timeline. Select the subscriber panel at the video screen and drag the corners to the desired size and layout. Let's play the video. You can make adjustments and modifications on the video and layout later to suit your needs. You can also add some effects and filters by selecting its tabs at the right sidebar. To check your media stock, click your Media tab in the left sidebar. You will see that the stock videos, including the subscriber panel, are already added into your media. Please note that if you remove these stock videos from your media, the corresponding media that were used in your timeline will get deleted too. Let's add some texts to our project. Click the Text tab in the left sidebar. Search for a specific text style. There are different text styles to choose from. Choose the text style. Click on the plus button in the corner of the text preview. This button will automatically add the selected text style in the timeline. In this case, we have chosen the plain text as our text style. Drag and place the text box at the start of timeline. Drag the seeker, the white vertical line with a circle on top, into the text box timeline. Select the text box at the timeline. Select text box at the video screen and add or edit text. Let's try to edit the text and type, "Welcome everyone. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel." Edit the text and set alignment. Set the text font. Click the font drop-down in the right sidebar. Choose the desired font style. Set the font size. Input the font size on the font size entry box, or drag the font size slider to set the desired font size. Set the font color. Select the font color from the color palette by trying different colors. After editing the text font style, font size, font color and alignment at the video screen, we will try to add some more texts and use additional text features. Let's add some more texts. Select the first text box at the timeline. To add new texts, you may copy or duplicate the texts in the timeline to copy its formats. Right-click on the text box and click Duplicate. Let's drag and place the new text box to our desired location in the timeline. Select the new text box at the timeline. Select text box at the video screen. And start to add or edit text. Let's type, "Today, we will show you how to create a stunning video using the free Microsoft Video Editor clipchamp." Let's try to view the edited video. Drag the seeker into the starting point of the timeline. And click the play button just below the video screen. Edit the text and set proper alignment. Use the text-to-speech feature. The use of voiceover. So far, we have covered just a little of the many amazing features of Microsoft clipchamp. If you want to watch more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to our channel. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.